Hi friends, welcome to BrownEyes cooking. In this video, we can see how to prepare banana ghee sweet. It's a traditional sweet. Let's see the ingredients to prepare the sweet. 5 wrapped banana, 1 cup of wheat flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half spoon of dry ginger powder, some cashew nuts, half a cup of coconut flour and 4 elaichi. Okay, let's make a smooth paste. Now I'm going to add half a cup of wheat flour. And grind it well. Now I'm going to add remaining half a cup of wheat flour and brown sugar. Let grind. Okay, the batter is ready now. I'm adding some cashew nut and half a cup of coconut flour, 4 elaichi and half spoon of dry ginger powder. Mix it well. Take a pan and add some ghee in it. Make a small balls and fry it in the ghee. So many of them watching the video without subscribing. Please subscribe the channel. Turn it to other side to cook uniformly. Okay, now our banana ghee sweet is ready. Serve it once it is cool. Thank you. See you on next video.